Hey everyone, so today we're going to be talking about changing the subject of a formula with negative x terms. So first, for both examples, I'll just write this. Um, oops. Both examples, we will want the subject to be x. Okay? So let's look at our first formula. So first, our first formula is going to be m minus tx equals c. Okay, so here we have a formula with negative x and negative tx to be exact. So whenever we're finding the value for x or solving for x, we kind of want to get rid of the negative that's involved with x so that we can have x associated just as a positive. So what that means is first we're going to make this positive. Now to make this positive, we are going to add tx to both sides, okay? So now we have m is equal to, well, this tx cancels out with the other tx, is equal to c plus tx, okay? And now we have to work on getting x by itself or making x the subject. So in order to do that, first let's subtract c from both sides. So we have m minus c is equal to tx. And now to get x by itself, we are going to divide each side by t because t and x are related through multiplication. And in order to get x by itself or to get rid of the t, we have to divide by t. So now we have our answer as x, oops, oh boy, that's not good. Now we have x is equal to m minus c all over t. Okay, now let's look at another example. And in this example, we are going to have to remove the brackets and then make x the subject, okay? So just going to use multiplication to remove brackets. And we are going to say b times b minus x is equal to k, okay? So in order to do this, first we have to expand the brackets. So b times b is b squared. B times negative x is minus bx. And now we have equals k. So now that we've expanded our brackets, now we have to focus on getting x by itself and making x positive. So just like the last question, first thing we're going to do is we are going to make x positive by adding bx to both sides, okay? So these cancel out, and now we have b squared is equal to k plus bx, okay? And now we'll subtract k from both sides because we're working on our mission to get our x by itself. These k's cancel out. Now we have b squared minus k is equal to bx. And now we're still continuing to try to get x on its own. And we are going to divide by b on both sides, meaning that these b's cancel out. And now we have x is equal to b squared minus k all over b. And this is our final answer. Now, something that we have been getting confused with as far as simplifying is that we cannot cancel these b's out here because the b squared minus k is connected through subtraction and b is not in both of these. So this is our final answer. And if you have a final answer like this, please don't try to simplify it anymore. This is a perfectly good answer and this is correct. If you try to do more with it, you might get a question wrong, so just leave it like this. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also, please like and subscribe. Thanks.